que es de Dios y me gusta también esta carrera, me animó, no me importó si eran varones, soy la única chica y le doy gracias a Dios porque estamos en este momento tan maravilloso. Le damos gracias a los donantes y a Orphan Network y también me da un orgullo estudiar y estar en este lugar tan maravilloso. Me gusta estar aquí estudiando para yo salir adelante y también esta es una oportunidad muy grande para mí y para mis amigos. Pase buen día.
I was expecting all boys to be doing this, and when I looked up and saw a beautiful young girl, I said, "This is great." This is somebody who has stepped out and taken a chance, and boy, did she make it good.
Yes, she did. She did. Mm-hmm.
And I just think all good is ahead of you.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you for letting us come.
Tuvimos una oportunidad muy grande en Don Bosco y tuvimos dificultades aquí en mi familia.
Actually, with this big opportunity also there were challenges. In my family I had many.
Después que se me murió mi papá, yo tuve como una semana más o menos que yo no fui.
I lost my dad during the training, and that was a week where I didn't want to go to study.
Yo me enfermé.
I got sick.
Y tuve dificultades aquí en mi casa.
And I started to have problems in my house.
Pero tuve una oportunidad tan grande que conocí a esos jóvenes que decidieron conmigo esa carrera.
But one big thing that happened during this training is that all the young people all the students became friends, and they were supporting me too.
Bueno, también tuvimos una carrera bien. Miramos qué es lo de negocio, dibujo técnico, soldadura industrial.
I really love it because I learned about drawing, technical drawing, and also business, how to make my own business.
Todo me gustó.
I really liked everything.
También el agradecimiento a Dios.
I also thank God. And from the hospital also, because now I can hear well with my ear.
Y lo que comencé, lo tuve que terminar.
And today I'm finishing what I started 6 months ago.
Lo terminé con gran esfuerzo porque esta carrera no se la dan a nadie.
And I'm really good. I feel good because this opportunity is not for everyone.
Y me da gracias por venir a visitar.
Thanks for coming.
Mi nombre es Carla Castro.
Well, my name is Carla.
Soy la pastora de Josseling.
I'm the pastor of Josseling.
También está mi esposo, que es el pastor Leonardo.
Also my husband, Pastor Leonardo.
Nosotros queremos mucho esta familia porque
We love this family so much.
hemos visto una familia unida.
We have seen a united family.
Desde el más chiquito hasta el más grande.
With everyone.
Cuando nosotros pues tuvimos la oportunidad de la red pastores de las becas, pues pensamos no solamente en Josseling, sino en otros jóvenes.
When we heard about the scholarship in the network of pastors that we have, we thought about Josseling and other students
que también están quizás en la misma situación o en situaciones más difíciles, porque hay unos que están metidos en droga, en drogadicción.
There are a lot of people who has needs. Even her mother doesn't have a job. Her sister doesn't have a job.
Su hermano no tiene un trabajo.
Her brother doesn't have a job. She doesn't have a job.
O sea, hay dificultades económicas.
There are many difficulties in economical ways.
Y a pesar de esas dificultades económicas,
but instead of that, she had a very big value.
Y le decíamos, ánimo, usted puede.
And we always try to encourage her and say, come on, you can go, you can do it.
This is to all the people back in Virginia that have made this possible. It is such an honor to be a part of God's work, to be His hands, to show His love for these people, and it just warms my heart to see the obstacles that they've overcome, particularly Josseling, with the challenges she's had to complete the training. Even harder for a young woman to do that, for her to just persevere through what she's done and complete the training today. So I am looking forward to following her through her internship over the next 2 months, and then just excited to see what the Lord has for her in the way of the job and time going forward. For her to be here, to be able to help her mother and her sister and her church, and to just her determination and willing spirit, it's just going to be fun to watch. And so again, Martha and I thank you for the opportunity to be here with you today.